Maintaining an accurate inventory is critical for ensuring parts are available while minimizing the cost of that inventory. Also, poor inventory accuracy will cause technicians to maintain extra stock in their possession outside of the stockroom. If the actual inventory is lower than what is documented, it is likely that the item will be out of stock. If the actual inventory is higher, parts will be reordered too soon. So, how often should you inventory your parts and supplies stock? A good MRO management system will rely on continuous monitoring using stockroom software. Each item that enters or leaves the stockroom must be accounted for. This is the responsibility of everyone, not just those who manage the stockroom. If you take a part, make sure that it has been properly removed from inventory. Manually entering part and transaction information takes time, and there are many opportunities for errors. For speed and accuracy, a technology such as barcodes should be used for inventory management. With barcodes, transactions are recorded automatically, and the inventory is updated in real time. Each item should have a unique barcode label that allows real-time viewing of related data with a single scan. Barcodes are typically scanned with wand or laser scanners. Wand scanners resemble a pen with the barcode reader in its tip. To use a wand scanner, pass the tip over the barcode at a steady speed. Laser scanners project a straight line beam across the entire barcode. Both types convert the optical signals to digital signals in a computer.